Hey girls, this is Elisa with WTI.
If you're on the hunt for a versatile bag that can handle everyday use in your adventures, check out this Aspia creation. It's not only stylish but also incredibly well made. You can use it as a shoulder bag, crossbody bag, or even a backpack. The straps are adjustable so you can customize it to fit your needs. I love using it for the gym. It has multiple compartments, which is great for keeping my bathing suit and sweaty clothes separate from other items. I also love all the compartments because they help me to stay organized when I'm traveling. Plus, it comes with a toiletry bag that allows me to always bring all of my essentials. This bag is super functional and I love the quality and color. I highly recommend it. There's even a shoe compartment that includes a shoe bag. I love everything about this bag and I know you will too.
And that's just my point of view.